Thank you so much because I have now the 6 apples and the 4 oranges. So now, how many fruits na ako na give? Can you help me to add this?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so now I have 6 apples and 4 oranges. So what do I need to do? Can you please help me? Okay, to add the apple and the oranges. So I need to think. Okay, so I will keep the 6 apples in my mind, and I'm going to count out the another 4 oranges. I have 6 apples. All right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so now I have 10 fruits, including the apples and the oranges. I have 6 apples and 4 oranges. So I add the 6 apples and the 4 oranges. So that I add the fruits by starting to the larger number, which is the number 6, and I count up the smaller number, the value of the oranges, which is the 4. So I add, and I use the strategy, I keep the 6 in my mind and count up the another 4 oranges. Can you please help me to add this again?
Yes, teacher.
6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
Alright, thank you so much because I am ready to go home and give this fruits to my mama. Thank you so much, everyone. Can you please give yourselves a round of applause? Alright. Okay, Vinyas, did you enjoy the activity?
Yes.
Do you have any idea what is the topic that we will be going to discuss this morning? Alright. Okay. So now the activity that we did early before, I add the 6 apples and the 4 oranges. I keep the 6, the larger number, in my mind and count up the smaller number, which is the oranges. So the 6, and I add it to the the value of the smaller number, which is the 4 oranges, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So nakuha na po ang sum sa fruit, which is 10. So are you ready to learn are you ready to know what is the topic that we will be going to discuss this morning, class?
Yes, teacher.
If we keep the larger number in our mind and count up the value of the smaller number, it is called addition by counting on. Everybody read.
Addition by counting on.
This row.
Addition by counting on.
This row.
Addition by counting on.
Right. Everybody read.
Addition by counting on.
Right. For us to be guided, all of you will be able to follow these following objectives. I will read first and you will follow. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Identify
the
sum
of
the given numbers. Demonstrate the counting on strategy on the given numbers and Share the importance
importance
of
of
addition
addition
by
by
counting
counting
on
in
your
your
daily
daily
living.
living.
Are the objectives clear to you, class?
Yes, teacher.
Right. So this morning we will tackle and we will know the definition of addition by counting on. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Addition by counting on. I will read first and you will follow. Can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Addition
Addition
by
by
counting
counting
on.
on
A
a
mental
mental
strategy
strategy
where
where
you start with
with
the
the
larger
larger
number
number
and
and
count
count
up
up
by
by
the
the
value
value
of
of
the
the
smaller
smaller
number
number
to find
find
the
the
sum.
sum.
Alright, addition by counting on is a strategy where we can add two numbers easily. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Example number 1. Do you see the screen, class?
Yes,
We
teacher.
have 5 plus 3. Which of these two numbers is the larger number? Okay, Mapurpo?
The larger number, teacher, is number 5.
Alright, let us give Mapurpo a 3 big claps. The larger number is number 5. So now, what is our smaller number? Okay, chatting?
The smaller number is 3.
Okay, the smaller number is number 3. Let us give chatting a 3 big claps. Alright, the larger number is number 5 and the smaller number is number 3. So we have to add these two numbers by keep the number 5 in our mind and continue to count the smaller number, which is the number 3. Alright, this is how we're going to do this class. 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you please emulate the class?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
So for our next example, we have 6 plus 2. So may I request one volunteer to answer this example of the Vinyas. Okay, which of these two numbers is the larger number?
The larger number is
Alright, the smaller number. So how are you going to add these two numbers?
I will keep the larger number in my mind, 6, then I will count the smaller number, which is also 6 plus 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Let us give Jin a success clap. Do you know how to do success clap, class?
No,
Okay,
teacher.
success clap goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, success, success, success. Okay, can you please stand? Let us give Jin a success clap.
1, 2, 3. Success, success, success.
Alright, so Jin answer is correct because 6 plus 2, the sum of 6 plus 2 is 8. We have to keep the number 6 in our mind and count up the smaller number, which is number 2, 6, 7, 8. Alright, do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Let's proceed to our another example. We have 5 plus 4. So who wants to answer this problem, these two numbers? Okay, Ejen. Okay, which is the larger number? Ejen.
5,
Alright, the smaller number.
4.
Alright, so can you please show us on how to add these two numbers.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, let's give Hejan a 5 big claps. Okay, the answer of Hejan is correct because 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. We have to keep the larger number, which is the number 5 in our mind, and count up the value of the smaller number, which is the number 4. Okay, everybody, let's do it. 5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Alright. Okay, do you understand our lesson today, class?
Yes, teacher.
Any question? Clarification?
None, teacher.
Alright, so since none, I am going to ask you a question. So what is the topic that we discussed this morning? Okay, Ajal.
Our topic this morning, teacher, is all about addition by counting 1.
Excellent! Let's give Ajal a 4 big claps. Alright, okay class. Alright, so it is a mental strategy where we can add the two numbers easily and effectively. Okay, Hannah?
So the answer of your question, teacher, is addition by counting 1.
Alright, perfect! Let's give Hannah a 3 big claps. Alright, it is a mental strategy where we can add the two numbers easily by keeping up to our mind the larger number and count up the value of the smaller number. And it is addition by
Counting on.
Do you understand our lesson today, class?
Yes, teacher.
Class, you already understand our topic this morning. So I have one last question. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. Can you share the importance of addition by counting on in your daily living? Can I ask Ira? Can you please stand, Ira?